Welcome to our demonstration video. Here, we present the seamless conversion from traditional databases, such as Postgres to Snowflake, using our innovative SPCConverter tool. Our tool can also handle SQL Server, Oracle, and various Amazon RDS databases like Redshift and Athena. Today, we'll guide you through the migration process, transforming what typically takes months into a swift, efficient operation with remarkable results. Let's start by understanding the challenges of traditional migration. Typically, converting schemas and procedures from databases like Postgres or SQL Server to Snowflake is time-consuming and complex, especially with large-scale migrations which can take up to 9 months to complete. Introducing our solution, an advanced tool that leverages Amazon Bedrock's LLM model. This tool simplifies and accelerates the migration process significantly, allowing to complete conversions in minutes. Let's start with converting a PostgreSQL schema. Here's the original PostgreSQL schema. And now, observe how it's transformed into a Snowflake schema. Key changes include the adaptation of data types and the introduction of Snowflake-specific syntax, such as create database and create user. Next, we copy this converted code and paste it into the Snowflake terminal. In just a few seconds, the queries are executed, creating corresponding labels and views. This demonstrates the CloudHub SPCConverter's efficiency, achieving about 95% accuracy in minutes. Moving on to PostgreSQL procedure. Watch its translation into Snowflake. The changes here include using uppercase for procedure names and eliminating the @t symbol in parameters, aligning with Snowflake's conventions. User-defined functions, or UDFs, are next. Here's a PostgreSQL UDF, and here's the converted Snowflake UDF. Notice the conversion involves changing syntax for function creation, adjusting data types, and using the values table construct for row generation in Snowflake. We'll copy this converted UDF and execute it in Snowflake, showcasing its functionality in the new environment, demonstrating high efficiency and productivity gain. Let's look at the Snowflake Setup Chat, your assistant for easy migration. It guides you from creating your Snowflake account to setting up your database and warehouse. Using Python as an example, it even walks you through the connection process with clear instructions. Our CloudHub SPCConverter dramatically cuts down migration time to minutes. It's highly efficient with minimal discrepancies. If you're moving to Snowflake from a traditional database or data warehouse, reach out for seamless onboarding. Thank you for watching. We're here to ensure your transition to Snowflake is efficient and smooth. For further assistance, please contact us at cloudhubs.nl.